When you are authentic with what do you want from the eating habit, eat based on that. Do you want to just disappear into the light when you want to leave the body? Then you have your own food pattern. Or you don't want that, you want to leave the body physically, but you don't want it to stink and you want it to be alive, you want it to be there forever, inspiring people about the science with which you lived in that body, the consciousness you radiated using that body. In Thailand, I went and saw an enlightened monk's body. He is enlightened being. His body is kept for 40 years. It is there. Just he is sitting. I was just shocked. Oh God. I was always wondering, trying to find new ways how my samadhi should be. It should be something extraordinary. I got a click. This is the way I am going to have my samadhi. Just his body is there, nothing. Only the eyes have become little gone inside, over. And they put a dark glasses and it doesn't look. He is just sitting for 40 years, no processing was done to his body. The island Koh Samui, Koh Samui in Thailand, I saw that. 40 years he is just sitting in a glass case. And they regularly open the glass case and change the cloth and all that. No smell, nothing, is just there. Understand? I have decided my body will be like that. Of course, I am going to leave after 100 more years only. 100 more years I am going to be in the body. When I leave, it will be like that only. Just you put the cloth and instead of Pratyaksha Murti, put the body. That's it, over. It will receive your worship, continue to radiate, respond. There, I saw a beautiful quotation from him, that monk. He has told them many years before he left the body, after I leave the body, you don't need to do anything, just keep the body. In that same meditation posture, he said very clearly, I will leave the body in the samadhi in a meditation posture, just keep it. And the world will come and see this and get inspired with the philosophy with which I used and I lived in this body. To inspire, and I tell you, he has not left the body, he is still using the body and inspiring the whole world about Buddhism. 40 years, still he is preaching. Still the muscles are there. 40 years, no processing was done. They have put the spectacles because just the eyes have gone a little in. No processing, no mummifying, nothing. Koh Samui, Thailand. It is called mummy monk, but his body was not mummified. No processing was done. It is just there. They change the cloth once in a while. This is yogi. Even after leaving the body, he has not stopped inspiring people. Understand? Not only while he was in the body, while he left the body, he has decided to inspire people. I tell you, I am after all young. We have a lot of time. Not only I'll leave my body in this way, I don't want to make it disappear into the light like what Jnanasambandar did. No, I wanted the body to be physically available in this form, in this way, for people to see and relate, for me to enjoy the devotee's devotion. In 1973, he passed away. He left the body in seated meditative position, the same way you saw. Since then, his body is on display in an upright glass case at temple. 73 means now how many years? 40 years. Am I right? Or 30 years? 40. 40 years. No sign of decay. And today I commit, I'll prepare this body, and when I leave the body, it will be like this only. And now itself I'm making it very clear. The body has to be kept like this. He told them very clearly, his followers, it will not decay or anything. If you think something like that has happened, you cremate it. That's the instruction he gave. I am giving you the instruction. It will not decay. It will not degenerate. If you guys feel something is happening, then keep it in samadhi. No cremation. Even then, samadhi. It has to be kept in samadhi so that it radiates the energy for the whole universe forever. Not only I commit to make my body like that, I commit at least few hundreds of my sannyasis' bodies will be like that, sitting around me. Sitting around me. Understand? Come on. Let me start the first batch. How many of you authentically, with integrity, wanted your body also should be sitting next to me? See, I am actually planning for a huge samadhi where 10,000 samadhis will be there. I already told you guys, the Akshardham, where 10,000 enlightened beings are sitting and radiating the energy. We will have different types where the body is samadhi, put in samadhi, and where body is put in the glass cases. Now you all have to start working for it. That's all. Let me see the hands. How many hands go up? Oh God. Now it is time, then we start the process. Process of nirahara, pranayamas and all that. So now be authentic. That's all. Now be authentic to what you expect from your life. Be authentic to your food. This is what my vision of eating habit. You don't have to become nirahari if you don't expect these things. But be authentic with nirahara if you expect these things. Now you know what to do and how to design. And I take the responsibility for the authenticity of the science. Means If you follow this, it will not fail. Your body will not stink. That I take the responsibility. Following it, you have to take the responsibility. If you do this, this will be the result. For that, I'll take the responsibility and I'll prove it. I'll prove it in a few people. Then immediately everyone will know. Just imagine. 10,000 monks and rishis and sitting in samadhi. It will become not just a greatest energy center of the planet Earth, it will become wonder of the world. That will prove the power of the yoga tradition, Vedic tradition. Understand, this monk, even by leaving the body, he proved the power of the Vedic tradition, Buddhist tradition. Like Paramahamsa Yogananda. After 1 month he left the body, his body did not show even one sign of decaying. Any of you know that? Now, if you read Autobiography of Yogi, there is a clear certificate from the mortuary in charge. Can you go to that book and take it out? Take out that page. Last annexure of Autobiography of Yogi. How many of you read that certification? Then all of you know. It is very unfortunate his body is still sitting in California without having a beautiful memorial. In my village, all we villages put together has built stone temple for Ramana Maharshi. I request Indian government, you guys lost him when he was alive. At least don't lose him after he left the body. Bring his body back. Let's worship him, revere him. It is not that Vivekananda alone stood for the Vedic tradition outside India. It is Paramahamsa Yogananda. Unfortunately, Paramahamsa Yogananda's contribution is yet to be recognized the way Vivekananda's contribution was recognized. Just because of the one reason, Vivekananda left the body in India, Paramahamsa Yogananda left the body outside India. The politics of the disciples, possessiveness of the disciples wanted to keep the body there is reason for he did not having the recognition for which he is worthy of. He maintained what Vivekananda started. I am going to take it to the next level, what Vivekananda started. Can you imagine? Even after leaving the body, he goes on inspiring. Forest Lawn Memorial Park Director Glendale. Cemetery in Glendale. The director name is Harry T. Rowe. He has given a clear declaration. After 20 days, no physical disintegration was visible. After 20 days, he left the body. No physical disintegration. I went and had the darshan of the place where his body is still kept. His body has not suffered any physical disintegration. And they also say no odor of decay emanated from his body at any time. Sannyasa sampradayas and food pattern are very closely connected. That is why the clapping of pizza ordered. So still we have not got into the story fully. Still we have not ordered. We only clapped. I think just like Kathopanishad, I have to tell this story also. Like a long serial. Pizza brought Nirahara to Bidadi. See what has happened. So even if you hit the enlightened master with your most inauthenticity, he transforms that into authenticity. By taking the responsibility for your inauthenticity. So history will record this whole thing of keeping the body as it is without stinking, decaying. This whole science is brought to the world from the beginning of pizza. No, really, I wanted this way. Few of our yogis, what few? Many of our yogis getting trained, living, playing with energy and spreading the Vedic tradition. When you leave the body, your body becomes the example for this Vedic tradition. Even that should inspire millions. So when you leave the body, it should be such. People should be carrying it from place to place in a glass case and showing it. Inspiring people, inspiring the world, inspiring millions. See the power of the ideology with which he held his body. When he lived, when he left, body is radiating.